Hello everyone, you have made it past Module 1 and Module 2 and are now ready for Exam 1. Congratulations. Now you must be wondering, what should I expect the exam to be like? So first off, this exam has two parts. You do not have to do them in one sitting. I would actually recommend that you do the Newton one first, take a nice long break, then do the open-ended question one. That only works, of course, if you take these with enough time to spare, so do not procrastinate. Think about a good time of the day when you are cognitively fresh and you have an opportunity not to be distracted. Also remember that you will get to drop the lowest exam of the semester from your final grade, and that includes if earned a 0 on one of the exams for any reason. Example, your internet went out. Please do not ask for an extension on an exam unless you have a qualifying excused absence. Please see syllabus for details. I have uploaded the exam information in the exam section. It will help you to prepare for this exam. You can also go over the test review center in the exam 1 module, and I will show you how here. So you will go to the exam 1 module. You will find exam 1 information here. All right. Then you can also find the exam 1 video here, which you are obviously watching. And then I will show you the Newton Test Review Center. Then this is the Test Review Center. All right, so you will open this. And then you will find your Student Review Center here. I will have to change it to Student View so that you can see what it looks like. This is what the Review Center looks like. So this is your exam 1, which is going to take place on April 11th until April 13th, let's say. Then you will go on to this, which is the arrow next to optional. You will click on it, and then you will find chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4, because this exam is from module 1 and module 2. And you can click on it and go on to the questions, all right? And then you can say start review. So this is how you'll go and practice from the Newton Test Review Center. So there are two parts of the exam, as I told you before. On the Newton platform, it is going to be like approximately 50 questions, all right? And it's going to be for 1 hour, 30 minutes. You will have 2 attempts, and the lowest score will get dropped out of those 2. And the best way to prepare for this exam is this review center. Another thing to do is also to take a look at the study guide questions, brush up on any key competencies that you know that you're lacking. Also go back to the online chapters, take a look at the parts of the chapter that you are struggling with, do some independent research as well on topics on your own. And then again, this Newton exam will not be adaptive. This is going to be like one question after the other. There are going to be 2 attempts again. If you're not happy with your first score and you want to try again, you will have a second chance to do that. And I will count the highest score out of those 2. Another thing to keep in mind is there are 2 parts of the exam. So then the other exam is going to be the essay type questions. So I am going to leave student view here, go back to the modules. And the other exam is going to be this open-ended exam 1. This is going to have questions like you've seen on your study guide, so similar questions. All right, and this you will also have 1 hour, 30 minutes to complete that. And there is only 1 attempt for this. Okay, so you don't have to do the Newton exam and this open-ended exam 1 together in one day. You can take your time to do them. All right, you can do one day. So I would suggest that start with the Newton Test Review Center, complete that, questions from there, and then go on to exam 1. The first one, this one is the exam from the Newton platform. Do that. And after that, go on to the open-ended exam 1 questions. All right. Okay, this is it for now. Happy studying. Email me if you have any other questions. All right. Bye. See you in the next video.